Welcome back to day 5 on database forensics, and we are going to continue on how data solves crimes in large organizations using Evodia. Today we will continue with the part 2 of transaction logs, focusing mainly on conversion systems. We are going to be seeing binary, base 2 octal, base 8 decimal, base 10 and hexadecimal, base 16. Binary ranges from 0 to 1, octal 0 to 7, decimal we count from 0 to 9, and hexadecimal 0 to 15 with 0 to 9 and A to F. Now we are going to focus on binary. What is the use of binary? Why are we studying binary? Binary is mostly for the hardware systems like zeros and 1, on for 1, off for 0. So the switch system. So the computer hardware only understands two things. When the computer is on, when there is power, which is on, 1, and when it's off, 0. So 0 for on, 1 for on, and 0 for off. Now we are going to be seeing two methods. We have the division method and the subtraction method. Now for the division method, it's very efficient in that you can do it at any time and you don't have to master any specific rule. You just keep dividing by 2 until you're finished, until you get the remainder is 0. So you divide by 2 and you keep the remainder. And when you divide by 2 for every digit, you can write, even if the digits are massive as 5 million, you can keep dividing and dividing and dividing. And you pick the value bottom up, pick bottom from your link in the following side. Meanwhile, for the subtraction rule, you check if it is greater than or equal to the number. You keep 1, then you subtract and you keep the value. You see that in the following slide. That's it. Now for binary, we have place value. We have 1, we have 10, we have 100, and we have 1,000. We have the position value 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 1, 2. Like 2 to the power 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and then we already saw the switch on 1 and off down. So that's it for the introductory part for this class. We'll be seeing conversions on binary, on decimal to binary, and we're also going to see binary back to decimal. Let's easy conversion. Okay, see you in the following slide.